Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to delete your account on Spotify. So this is an easy process to do, and the first step is go to the superior right corner in the page of Spotify, and here you need to pick here in that part where it said cuenta. This is in English this account. You need to go to the option of your account that here in the support page of Spotify. You need to pick here on support, and after that you need to go to that option where set ayuda con la cuenta, in English, set help to your account. You pick here, and after that you need to go to that option of configuración de la cuenta. This is settings of the account in English, and here you need to go down and pick here in cerrar cuenta y eliminar datos in delete your account and delete the data, or close your account and delete the data. So you pick here, and after that you got a page when you got your the language of your PC in English. You got this page in English, but you can delete that account here in the option of cerrar cuenta y eliminar tus datos. This is how I explained to you later. Delete account and delete your data. So you pick here and you need to confirm you want to delete your account, and that's it. You complete the process. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.